Welcome to Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're going to be talking about RV mishaps. Keep watching and you can see these vital mistakes these people make, and you can be prepared for the road ahead. So stay tuned, here it comes. Our first scene is this truck and RV changing lanes, and see how quickly things can get out of hand. Don't let this be you. Our next clip is this truck turning left. He's got a trailer on the back, and this guy is going through a red light. These kind of inattentive actions could be deadly. Always make sure that somebody isn't going to blow that red light when you're turning, especially if you're pulling a trailer. Our next scene proves that you don't have to be on a paved road to get into an accident. Now everybody's day is ruined. If somebody's harassing you about having sway bars, this next clip proves you should always make sure that they're hooked up. Because you never want to be in this situation, so never leave home without them. No one probably wants to be the person that loses a tire on their trailer. This RV trailer loses the left side tire. I'm so glad to see that this driver didn't lose control and was able to steer the truck and RV trailer off the road and into a safe spot. The next clip is going to be a shot of an RV going down the road by itself. It's disconnected from the truck and the momentum kept it going. It makes a full stop right in front of a van. This RV is way too heavy for this little truck. It ends up pushing it around and it jackknifes on the highway. The lesson here is know your tow vehicle and its capacity. On our next clip, you'll see a pickup truck and camper pulling a utility trailer. For some reason or another, it comes disconnected and this thing takes off across 4 lanes. This could have been a disaster. On this clip, I'm not sure what this guy was thinking, but he's come to a full stop without any question. If you're getting some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. It's totally free. As we move on to the next clip, keep your eye on the right side of this RV's tire. It actually comes apart. The force of the tire coming off the axle lifts the RV and the tire carries on to roll into a truck in the other lane. Now this is a lesson to all RV drivers, no matter what you're driving. Watch the traffic around you. Be aware of your surroundings. This shot shows a regular vehicle losing control, going off the road and then coming back and hitting a truck and RV. Luckily, disaster was avoided. On this home security camera, the owner captures a truck and RV while it's taking out a basketball hoop. And I'm not quite sure why this driver didn't know the size of his truck and RV. You must know how big your rig is and what you can drive through, under, and beside. And apparently his problems continue. On this next clip, obviously this driver doesn't know how long his RV is, and that the fact that he's so close to this other truck. This is what happens next. And he keeps hitting that gas and he's bringing the other truck with him. In our next clip, you're going to see how a tail swing goes bad. Like you've seen with the little car, any vehicle can lose control. Not being sure of the cause, but this driver ends up jackknifing his van and trailer. Minimal damage, but still a scary situation. In this clip, see how this driver of this motorhome loses control. As the driver of this motorhome seems to oversteer, he hits the center median, flips the RV on its side, which tears off the back of the RV, and he comes to a stop on the very left shoulder. The road carnage continues on these next 2 clips. This next clip is captured by a semi-driver's dash camera. It records a small truck and a pull-behind RV changing lanes. He loses control and starts to fishtail, where he comes to a stop on the right shoulder. There is debris everywhere. Luckily, he never got hit by this semi-trailer. On the next clip, it's very similar, where an SUV and a pull-behind trailer loses control and it flips over. This motorhome pulling an SUV behind him decides to change lanes a little too early. The motorhome clipped the back of the car, which makes it spin out of control and comes to a stop on the left shoulder. Apparently, changing lanes too early is pretty common. In this clip, you'll see a motorhome passing a semi-trailer on the left. He decides to pull in way too early. Well, the semi-trailer can't stop in time, causing the driver to lose control of the motorhome, hitting the concrete barrier on the right and then going across the highway, where it flips over, landing on its side. I thought this next clip was a little scary. When a truck and RV is coming down the center of the road, it's a little concerning. And it's also concerning and scary when you get sideswiped by a minivan and an RV. This thing is swerving all over the road. There are pieces flying off this RV and no one's sure what's going on here. And if you're driving down the road and you see this happen, I'm gonna guess somebody's not paying attention. What do you think? In this next clip, you're gonna see a pretty big trailer being pulled by a fairly small truck. What do you think the problem is here? I would question the tow setup. Leave a comment in the comments below after you watch the rest of this video and let me know what you think. On this next clip, we see an RV lose a tire as it's being pulled down the road. This is an interesting one, but the last two are even better. This guy changes lanes way too early and he gets clipped by a semi. The whole setup comes to a landing on the left. This clip shows a vehicle coming across while pulling an RV way too fast. The impact absolutely disintegrates the back of this RV. On this clip, you can see that this guy loses control and I'm not sure why, but it starts to sway back and forth and it ends up flipping the RV and the weight of the RV takes the tow vehicle with it. In this video, the motorhome driver tends to turn left a wee bit too early, right in front of a semi-truck. The driver of this blue Mustang thinks he's got the right of way. He ends up changing lanes and pulls right in front of the motorhome, which ends up smashing the left side of his car. This next clip shows this giant motorhome pulling a full-size pickup truck, veered to the left and right into the center median, where both are flipped and end up on its side. You never want to see this with your camera. A runaway motorhome. It's coming down the road and it's hauling. This ends up smashing into a house. It actually left so much carnage on this road, it was unbelievable. The damage to the home was almost unrepairable. Now what was this guy thinking? Look at this sports car. He's trying to get around this sports car, but he's hitting it, but he's still going. I think it's safe to say the owner of this car is not going to be impressed. So after several attempts, the driver of this motorhome just hits the gas and off he goes. Check the next one out, guys. You're not going to believe this guy. He is pulling a fifth wheel behind his pickup truck and he figures he can get into the drive-thru. Now he's absolutely demolished this RV and he keeps going. The propane tank falls out. If you look closely at him, he's actually looking at the mirror, so he knows what's going on, but he doesn't care. He wants that Big Mac, guys. Now this is our very last clip. The driver of this truck is obviously pulling a load that's way too heavy, but look, he's got sway bars, so he's doing something right. This driver takes the cake. Let me know in the comments below if you've seen anything crazy in your travels. Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. We'd love to have you on board. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.